Yes, you like
I think
gratitude?
one on meditation / concentration and one on gratitude / love.
Everything.
Slash.
The big,
Joy.
biggest program. Okay.
I want to make you run faster. Because we can, when you click.
Gratitude.
Stop, then you
On va
remember.
faire un peu sur là-dessus alors.
Okay. 70%.
Okay, so we are on the day 3 and it's the workshops. And it's an open discussion.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes, open discussion.
Yeah. So everybody has his app, and we will just follow what Christine does on the screen.
You tell me, Garrett, you tell
No,
me
c'est bon, c'est bon.
if there is a foot.
If
Because
there are noises.
if there is noises, because, okay. You will tell me.
Should your screen be on the camera 4 here?
Yes.
It's not.
Okay.
Is this the home page?
This is the new homepage. We could switch on to the.
This is my old home page.
Yeah, we could switch to the old homepage if you want.
We haven't downloaded the new one.
No, in fact you can. If you go to the circuit things.
Well, except I gotta get online here.
It's the same principle anyway. We'll go to basic programs. So.
So where do we go?
So this is kind of weird to download.
Are you connected?
You might have the latest version. You just need to click the button that says.
No, okay.
No, it's not a problem because we will not stay on the homepage anyway.
But DJ needs to install because it
Just bounce. This should just open it.
Oh, I gotta get on.
Applications. Oh, this is complicated.
No, just
Ah, on pourrait même, je sais pas si on pourrait basculer sur un ancien keynote que j'avais sur lequel j'avais mis le tableau avec tous les correspondances prologiques des organes.
I cannot help, I don't have a Mac. So
Is that good?
No.
okay, so did you download it?
So I think you can just stop it.